This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was born on February 12, 1809, in Shrewsbury, England. He came from a wealthy family, which allowed him to receive a good education. As a child, Darwin loved nature and often collected insects and plants. His early experiences with the natural world sparked his curiosity about living things. Darwin attended the University of Edinburgh to study medicine, but soon realized he was not interested in becoming a doctor. Instead, he transferred to Christ's College, Cambridge, where he studied theology. However, his true passion was in natural history and biology. During his time at university, he began to develop ideas about evolution and species. In 1831, Darwin was invited to join the HMS Beagle as a naturalist on a scientific expedition. This voyage lasted 5 years and took him to various parts of the world, including the Galapagos Islands. Observations made during this trip greatly influenced his thinking about evolution and natural selection. He collected many specimens and made detailed notes about the animals and plants he encountered. Darwin's theory of evolution suggests that species change over time through a process called natural selection. This means that organisms with beneficial traits are more likely to survive and reproduce. Over many generations, these traits become more common in a population. This idea challenged the traditional views of creation and how species originated. In 1859, Darwin published his groundbreaking work titled On the Origin of Species. This book presented evidence for his theory of evolution and explained how natural selection works. It caused a significant stir in the scientific community and the general public. The book is considered one of the most important works in the history of science. Darwin's ideas changed the way scientists understand life on Earth. His theory of evolution provided a framework for studying biology and the relationships between species. It also led to new fields of research, such as genetics and ecology. Many scientists built upon his work, leading to further discoveries about evolution. Darwin's theory was controversial and faced criticism from some religious groups and scientists. Many people struggled to accept the idea that humans and apes share a common ancestor. Debates over evolution versus creationism continue in some parts of the world today. Despite the controversy, Darwin's work has been supported by extensive scientific evidence. Charles Darwin passed away on April 19, 1882, but his legacy continues to influence science and education. His ideas about evolution are now widely accepted in the scientific community. Many schools teach his theories as a fundamental part of biology. Darwin is often regarded as one of the most important scientists in history. Today, Darwin's theory of evolution is applied in various fields, including medicine, environmental science, and conservation. Understanding evolution helps scientists develop new treatments for diseases and protect endangered species. It also plays a critical role in studying climate change and its effects on biodiversity. Darwin's work remains relevant and essential for understanding the natural world.